Hello, and welcome to 2020, sponsored by Acme Packet and Atlas Smart IMS. I'm Steve, and this is Tina.
Hello, and thank you for stopping by today as we demonstrate how our combined capabilities energize communications by integrating business applications into your UC environment.
We're going to show you how our advanced applications embed real-time intelligence in your trading communications. Our solutions leverage the hottest session management technology in the industry today, providing opportunity for revenue generation, greater productivity, faster time to market, and cost reduction. We're talking about the Application Session Controller from Acme Packet.
If you could send a single voice message to hundreds of your clients at once, then measure how effectively it was received, would you want to hear more? What if you could eliminate repetitive messaging when dialing call list? How much productivity could you gain by controlling your phone from your CRM application? Traders, brokers, analysts, they all need to communicate quickly and reliably. Time is short, billions of dollars are on the line, and everyone is looking for that competitive edge. Critical messaging needs to flow internally and externally across varied platforms between many locations and multiple regions. Repetitive dialing from contact list and restating the same voicemail is not the best use of your time. Intelligent messaging requires both practical measurement and proactive management in order to assess its overall effectiveness and ensure reliability of the application.
So let's take a look at how Acme Packet technology and the Atlas Avatar program provide that competitive edge. Let's go to our demonstration wall. The Application Session Controller, or ASC, plays a central role in merging traditional IP telephony with web-based functions. Today, voice applications can be linked to business software on the desktop. By eliminating unnecessary steps and using computer telephony integration to merge control tasks into the graphical user interface of a typical workstation, enterprise and trader telephony systems gain more relevance.
And this is where the ASC comes in. It is a powerful middleware platform that joins business process and UC environments with any IP-enabled communications network. Specifically, it offers orchestration between different protocols used by varied platforms. Interoperability is a concern in large enterprise where multiple vendor platforms coexist. The ASC can integrate with nearly any PBX or cloud-based service.
This allows you to unify existing assets, extend their useful life, and minimize capital and operating expense. It also provides a central control point to web services enable your voice communications, controlling outbound calls with a simple mouse click.
The ASC also supports transaction policy, which allows external web-based applications to control how sessions are handled. For instance, employees can use a web app to block calls from certain numbers. Media services are available too, such as transcoding and basic call recording. With these capabilities, the ASC eliminates any need for purchasing or managing external servers or gateways. And lastly, compliance, where the ASC is a single point of responsibility for record generation of each session it controls, meeting current government requirements for call storage.
That's right, Tina. The ASC offers tremendous benefits for the financial services community. Let's go back to our demonstration wall. Here we'll show you an example of the type of business processes that can be integrated with the ASC. We call it Voice Blast, and the animation that follows depicts how a typical worker can use it to transmit or blast a specific message to multiple CRM contacts simultaneously.
So here's Carl, our Voice Blast user. Carl is a research analyst for a large banking enterprise. He has important news about a company ready to go public. He wants to broadcast it to his entire sales desk with a custom voice message previously recorded and stored on the ASC. Actually, his audience can be internal coworkers or external customers and partners all over the world, reachable on any voice-enabled endpoint.
Now, Carl is very busy and faced with several challenges. He needs to get his message out quickly. The message has to be transmitted securely. And he will want to know that it was effectively received. Here is Carl and the colleagues he wants to reach on the sales desk. In the background, the telephone switch will establish outbound call paths to them. To connect him to the call, Carl will click to dial his contacts via his CRM tool and then arrange a voice blast session with the ASC. The ASC performs the integration between the switch and Carl's application.
So let's see just how easy it is. Using his desktop CRM tool, Carl schedules a session with the ASC specifying which recorded message he wants to send out, when he wants to send it, and to whom. Carl can now focus his attention elsewhere. Meanwhile, at the appointed time, the ASC contacts the switch and directs it to outdial all the phone numbers on the list. Once both sides are connected, the ASC waits for the call to be answered either by a live party or by the far-end voicemail system. Then it plays the recorded message to all contacts at once.
The ASC also provides managers with reporting on the blast session so that they can assess its effectiveness. For instance, they can review productivity of employees using it, see which contacts were reached, who was not, and where follow-up efforts may be needed. And lastly, ensuring the real-time health of the Voice Blast application and the ASC itself is our avatar management platform.
And that's just one of the applications the ASC can support. Once you've finished viewing our joint capability slideshow that follows, we invite you to see a live interactive demonstration of Voice Blast and other exciting new applications. Thank you again for visiting us at SIFMA.